Greetings everyone, good day, good night, good morning, wherever you are. So we're back again with another video. In this one we're making potato pone. I'm just giving you a preview of what it looks like. So to make potato pone, of course we will need our potatoes. You need to peel, wash and cut them, after which we're going to grate them. As you can imagine, it takes a lot of work, a lot of patience to make potato pone. Okay, so having grated or grated all the potato, we're just going to do the same with the coconut and nutmeg, after which we will add some flour, mix everything together. We will also add sugar, brown sugar preferably, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We want it to be nice and flavorful. Here we're adding a little salt, not too much. We've also boiled a few cinnamon leaves, and we're using the liquid from that to add to this mixture here, and we're going to stir everything together. Not the cinnamon leaves, only the water. So now that our mixture is nice and ready, we're going to head into the garden and get a banana leaf from the banana tree, one that is nice and long, after which we're going to coil it. So now that our banana leaf has been coiled, we're just going to cut it in small pieces, put it in the pot that we're going to use. This is the pot we will bake the potato pone in. So we're basically covering the bottom of the pot with the quail banana leaves. Oops.
You play game of cricket?
I'm very busy, I know.
No.
Me had to dodge glass, I drop.
Yes, sir.
Busy. So here we have sugar, grated potato, grated coconut,
Vanilla,
vanilla,
flour.
2 teaspoons of vanilla, a little flour,
Yes.
what else?
A little salt.
Nutmeg, a little salt.
Yes, and that's it.
Yeah.
Hey, ready to go. We're not gonna start tonight.
We have how we putting it in the pot. And it look too much too.
I thought it was fun.
No. That worry.
You think it have a vanilla like
It
chewing?
it really
me see how bad you good your mouth is. You're not sure you're not in
Yeah,
the
man.
I'll spread it. Right.
You take more.
Watch, let me make it drop.
You take more.
You can take more, eh?
Hold it, man. When you full, it better. It's so quick.
And it's pretty.
Right. Yes, you see?
That's it, sir. And let's spread it all. I do it like this.
Potato pone is usually made outside on a wood fire. So we have prepared our wood fire here, and we have our pot here with our potato pone inside. We want to put the fire below and on the pot. Alright, so now it's time to test to see if it has been baked thoroughly. Okay guys, so I have a confession. So when baking potato pone, you have to allow it to cool. But it was smelling so good I couldn't wait. Usually persons will leave it overnight to cool, so, or leave it for a few hours to cool. But it was smelling so good, as I said earlier, I couldn't wait, so I had to cut it, had to taste it. Had we allowed it to cool, it would have been easier to cut. As you can see here, we're struggling somewhat to cut it. But nevertheless, we were successful in cutting some part of it, and I was able to taste it. Just keep watching and you will see what it looks like on the inside. And you will see the slice that I had. I believe I should cue the drum roll right now. So this is it. This is the first slice. Look at it. Trust me, it was so good. Potato pone on wood fire. Trust me, it was so good. No cake, no pudding is as good as this. Anyway guys, please comment below if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell. Leave us a like, comment and share. Thank you.